That's the question we're answering today, and by the end of this video, you'll know which of these two heavyweights is actually better at delivering accurate translations, and which one may not be as reliable as you think. Let's dive straight into it. First up, both DeepL and Google Translate are incredibly popular tools, but they have different strengths and weaknesses when it comes to accuracy. While Google Translate is certainly the most widely used, DeepL has developed a reputation for superior translations in certain languages, particularly when it comes to European languages. Next thing to consider, language support. Google Translate supports over 100 languages, making it incredibly versatile if you need to translate anything from Uzbek to Zulu. DeepL, however, currently supports around 30 languages. Now, if you need a translation for a major European language like Spanish, German, or French, DeepL can often beat Google Translate in terms of fluency and nuance. Speaking of fluency, that's where DeepL shines. A lot of users have pointed out that DeepL's translations feel more natural, especially with complex or longer sentences. It often gets the tone right, which can be crucial if you're translating something that has cultural nuance. Google Translate, on the other hand, can sometimes sound robotic or stiff, especially in more advanced texts or casual language. The fourth thing, accuracy with idioms and expressions. When it comes to handling idioms and regional sayings, Google Translate tends to struggle, especially if the phrase is unique to a culture or dialect. While Google's algorithm is constantly improving, DeepL's translations often feel more human, handling these quirks better than Google's tool. The fifth thing, speed. Google Translate is fast. It's instantaneous, and you can get your translations quickly, which is ideal for casual use or when you need something translated on the fly. DeepL's translation might take a second longer, especially if the sentence is long or complex, but it often delivers more polished and natural results for serious translation work. And let's not forget security. Google Translate is tied to Google's ecosystem, which has raised privacy concerns for some users. If you're translating sensitive documents, you might want to consider that your text could be stored and used to improve Google's services. DeepL, on the other hand, has made a point to emphasize privacy. They claim not to store your data or use your translations to train their models, which could be a big selling point for those concerned about confidentiality. Now, here's something interesting. Google Translate has a ton of additional features like voice translation, website translation, and camera translation, which makes it incredibly useful for travel or quick conversations. DeepL, by comparison, is more focused on quality over quantity, offering deep translation accuracy but fewer features. If you're not looking for extras and want more polished translations, DeepL could be your best bet. After trying both tools, I can tell you that they're both good, but I wouldn't trust Google Translate for everything, especially for more nuanced or business-level translations. DeepL has a clear edge in terms of accuracy and natural-sounding translations, but it lacks the versatility and features that Google Translate offers. So, which tool should you choose? If you're working with major European languages and care about translation quality over quantity, DeepL is your best bet. But if you're translating less common languages or need a tool with more bells and whistles, Google Translate might still be the way to go. But here's the thing, if you're after the best alternative for translation accuracy, especially for high-stakes documents or professional use, I'd recommend giving a different tool a try. After testing all of them myself, I can confidently say that there's a better option out there. To get the best free trial and exclusive benefits, make sure to use the first link in the description below. You'll be able to test it out for free, and it's the best deal only available to our viewers. Give it a shot and let me know how it works for you.